Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm happy you stopped by. Today I'm back with another healthy salad. This is a mixed green salad with apple and Gouda cheese. Very, very yummy. Last time I made a arugula and burrata salad with roasted butternut squash, and that was yummy too. I'll leave a link for that salad in the description below. So I wanted to talk a little bit of the greens that we have here in our salad. This is frisee. Now frisee has a mildly bitter taste, but in a good way, in a culinary way. It's also a bit peppery. Now this purple leaf here is called radicchio. Radicchio also has a spicy bitterness to it. And then we have our green leaf lettuce, which has a mild sweet flavor. So these three greens will go really well together. You have the bitterness of the frisee and the radicchio, along with the sweetness of this green leaf lettuce. Perfect combo. Now I also said I was using Gouda and apple. So let's talk about the Gouda a little bit. Now Gouda has a rich, nutty caramel-like flavor, and the texture is that of, I would say, a block of Parmesan. It's one of my favorite cheeses to use in a salad. For the apple in our salad, I've used a Honeycrisp. Honeycrisp are somewhat tart, but sweet. So you have the sweetness and the tartness at the same time. I'm going to use today for our salad an apple cider vinaigrette, and this is put out by Bragg's. It's made with apple cider vinegar and a little bit of olive oil, and I'm just guesstimating here, just guesstimating. Just pouring some in, and then I'm just going to take my tongs and mix everything together. I like to mix my greens up with the salad dressing before I plate and before I put on the cheese and the apple. We're going to just take our sliced apple and we're going to place it on the salad just like this, and then we'll top it off with some of the aged Gouda. All right, I'm going to taste it for you and let you know. All right, here goes. That was really a delicious bite. So why is this salad so good? Well, you have the bitterness of the radicchio and the frisee, along with the sweetness of the leaf lettuce. You pair that together with the apple, which is a sweet tart Honeycrisp, along with the Gouda, which is like a nutty caramel, and it just pairs so well together. Now, feel free to add nuts to this. I'm not really a nut person, so I didn't put any on. Also, feel free to interchange cheese. You could use any kind of cheese. You could put cheddar on here. You could use Parmesan, whatever you fancy. Now, again, I used the apple cider vinaigrette, and if you don't want to use that, you can always use like a balsamic vinaigrette, or maybe even an Italian vinaigrette. Totally up to you. Well, thanks for joining me today, everyone. I hope you like this recipe for mixed green salad with apple and Gouda. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you. Also, check out my video on the arugula and burrata salad with the roasted butternut squash. That's a good one too. Well, that's it for now, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.